welcome the National Chairman of the People's Democratic Party, Professor Iyoche Ayu, former Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Your Excellency, sir.
PDP! PDP! May I? All right. PDP! PDP! Okay, give me your ears. May I, on the behalf of the PDP worldwide, ask you all to stand up. All of you to stand up for 1 minute silence for the former chairman of the PDP, Prince Vincent Ogbolafor, who passed away on the 6th of October this month. Let us give 1 minute silence and in prayers. May the soul of our departed leader rest in perfect peace with the Lord. Please sit down for those who are sitting. Mr. President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria in waiting, Vice President Atiku Abubakar, our Vice President in the waiting, Governor Ifeanyi Okowa, Chairman BOT, Chairman Governors Forum, and all other governors, distinguished senators, members of the House of Reps, our party members. Thank you, Dino. I want to thank you all for coming out in large numbers to flag off this important movement. Is more than a party. The PDP trend has started moving. The train is leaving the station, but we are moving slowly so that those who are not yet on board will join us on the train. It is important that those who have not yet joined the PDP train should come on board, because we are one big, happy, united family. We want every member of the PDP family on board. We know the problems worrying Nigerians. Nigerians are not interested in what is worrying us as leaders. Nigeria is not interested in our personal quarrels. Nigerians are waiting for the PDP to come and rescue them from what is worrying them. The PDP knows what is worrying Nigerians. Nigerians are hungry. Nigerians are suffering from all sorts of sickness. Nigerians cannot move from one point to the other without worrying. Nigerians cannot sleep in peace because of insecurity. Nigerians are getting more and more divided. Nigerians are complaining and are hoping that what we did for them in the first 16 years We will come back and do it again. Let us all join hands together because we have the solutions. Already, we have penned down a covenant with Nigerians. We will restore the economy to its glory. Nigerians will be happy. All young people will get jobs. The unemployment worrying young people is what we want to address. The economy will grow. There will be more industries. You have already tasted it from our governors. Every PDP governor has performed well. And therefore, when we take over power from the state houses of assembly, from the governors that we are going to elect all over the country, from the National Assembly, we need all these people to support our president, who is coming into power next year, to rebuild Nigeria. Therefore, we don't have much to say today, but we want to thank all of you who have come in large numbers, who have faith in us. Nigeria, PDP will not disappoint you. PDP will not disappoint you. We thank you, and on this note, I believe our president will address you. President Atiku will address you. Where's Dimo? Where's Dino?